it's pretty slippery here. You're falling all the time, and yeah, it's literally just a matter of time before I slip and fall. So it's been good. I enjoyed it so far, but now it's time to get inside and dry up and eat, because you're also tired in your legs, and that's when you make the mistake. So right now it's just a matter of time. Just slipped. Scary, but yeah, I think everything made it. Just checking the camera, but yeah, time to get dry now. 17. Yeah, damn. What is this? 21. Look at that. We're staying in this cabin for the night. Everything is wet. I'm tired, hungry, weak. See you tomorrow. New day, new possibilities. So that was slip number 2. Not that bad. The fucking bugs, they just won't quit, they just won't die. Right? At least not down here. They're everywhere. So add that you're walking on slippery surface where you can pretty much fall all the time, you're tired, and then you got a fucking thing in your face all the time, all over your body, everywhere. But you choose to be here. Yes, I did. Don't regret a single bit of it. This is what builds moral and character. And it's okay. You can scream, you can cry, you can get frustrated, you can get wet, but you're not allowed to quit. Everything else is fine. This is your game, this is your dream. Everything else is fine. Just don't quit. All right, drinking's done. Clean my little cut there a little bit. Drowned some mosquitoes just for fun. And yeah, last thing I want to mention is, yeah, as you can tell, I'm frustrated, upset, but this is a part of it. This is, you need to be mad, you need to be frustrated, because this is where you can just take everything out. It sure looks foggy, doesn't it? Fucking crap. The camera is fogged up. There's a shitstorm coming right there. It's gonna rain again. But other than that, we're doing pretty good. Tuck the camera down, it's already wet. Mindset right now is shit can't last forever. It can last for a long time, but not forever. Same as yesterday, not even the good times will last forever, but nothing lasts forever. That's the only thing we know. All we gotta do, keep on pushing. I don't fucking know. This was the least worst option here. It's too wide where the trail is supposed to go, and then we're gonna get super wet. So it's either that or fucking break your legs here. Yeah, I don't know, there's not that much to do. It's just fucking go with it. So, all right. Fuck mosquitoes. Made it. Made it. Made it! Gotta let it out. Gotta let all of it out. Whew! That's a fucking victory right there. That can last me the rest of the day. So, see here, it's all wet. It's all just shit. Literally all of it. Slippery stones and just swamp. So if you step in that, your shoes and everything will get wet. You don't want that. So, small victories that will feel good. Excuse my screaming, but yeah, sorry, not sorry. Made it to this little cabin here. Camera's back on. It's gonna get foggy soon again though. As soon as it gets warm, we'll get foggy. Right now, sitting naked, drying everything out in the cabin. Gonna get some lunch, and that's it. I'll see you guys later. All right, lunch was delish. Pasta bolognese, no one cares. We're going up this mountain here, And according to what people say, it's going to get a lot easier after that. The main camera is still sitting this one out. It's most likely going to rain again, so I'm just waiting for it to get a little bit sunny, and then we might bring it out again. But for now, it's GoPro time. All right, let's go. It's one of those classic moments where you think you're at the top, and yeah, I mean, we've gone pretty far. I don't even know where we started, but once you get up here, you realize that there's another peak. Don't get fooled. Keep going. We're still climbing the mountain, but safely but slowly we're getting there. Right now, it's really, really nice. Since there's a wind, there's no bugs either, so plus plus. Reached the water point. It's break time. I'm thinking that we should get across before we celebrate that victory. Yep, good times. Okay. Okay, now that's moving, that rock. Is this one moving? Nope. Okay. All right, break time. Well, shit might go sideways here, so let's see. So far, so good. Doubts. Okay. That went better than expected. Not gonna scream this time, but that was good. We're on a sort of a trail, not really. It's an unmarked, and obviously you wouldn't expect a cafe around here, but it's still somewhat walkable. And then we're just gonna hammer it down to Chinatown, I would say, but yeah, the little town that's down here. Yeah, that's pretty much. I just want to show you guys how this thing looks. It's pretty slow going. This is what these guys are doing when they're not working for Santa Claus. That's pretty cool. What? Look at all this. I'm gonna move my ugly face. You can see. What? There's not that much sun out, which is nice. The bugs have fucked off for good, for at least for now. It's so nice. There's a cool breeze. Everything is really, really nice now. I'm just gonna take my time, enjoy this. I'm walking, singing. I'm gonna spare you from that, but it's a lot of Fujis right now. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just having the time of my life right now. This is one of the things that this is what I came for. And with all the challenges and everything else, but just to enjoy and really just embrace it all. Woo! The day, at least so far, has been like proper mountain hiking. You're doing everything right, you're taking it slow. You can air out your socks, your shoes, your insoles, you taped your feet, you got some energy to recharge with. Everything is just really nice. So I'm really trying to take that in, but like everything else, not even good things last forever. So enjoy the good times and then learn from the bad times, pretty much. But now we're gonna enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy that view from the drone. Whew. Motivation is it's okay. I am tired in my legs, even though I slept pretty good last night. But it's still been 4 days of pretty heavy hiking or trekking. The pack weighs in at about, I think total weight with camera and everything, 25, 27 kilos, so it's pretty heavy. Tell me you're in paradise without telling me you're in paradise. Quickly want to mention, I'm sorry about the audio and the video not always being on point. The National Geographic team decided to quit on me at last minute, so doing everything by myself, and it's not always easy. But this is part of it. But now you know. Gotta be honest again. There's a new level of bug hate. What I do is none of that waving around. No. We're way past that. So I let them sit. All right. I'll let them get a taste, just a sip. And then when they think to hit the jackpot, like this guy right here, slap their life out. And then you kill them, and that's very satisfactory. I do like animals, do not like mosquitoes. There's also the occasional horsefly. You get a different feel on your fingers or in your hand when you strike one of them. That's a good feeling. You can feel them crush. We're in a good spot right now. Right now you're the furthest into this ghost house. I don't have the balls to go in here. Looks pretty, I don't know. Tell for yourself. Of course, people threw some garbage there. So that will stay there forever. Don't do that. Bring your shit home. It's that simple. Or don't go out. But bring your shit home. I don't know what to say. Right, moving on. Steepest incline is done. Views. What is this? Magnificent. So, walking stick would be really nice right now. Don't have one. Got a camera. That doesn't really help. That was close. Made it though. Really beautiful spot again. It's just us, the mountains, nature, life. Okay, got that one. Good times. All right. Okay. We gotta go. Not too stable here either. We're good. And we're here. All right.